Saab, a very important thing. My learned friend, Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy Saab, is also there. Sir, I'll just read out one thing, and then I'll say that, sir. Sir, the Dalit Bandhu scheme was virtually put on hold after Congress government came to power. Sir, lakhs of applications were there. It was stopped. In 23-24 financial year, BRS government has allotted 17,700 crores for Dalit Bandhu as against the previous year expenditure of rupees 2,000 crores. However, not a single rupee was given for this, sir. Sir, ये इसके बारे में हो गया सर. Tribal welfare, SC, ST, SDF, sir. So the state budget 24-25, Bhatti Saab has allocated 33,124 crores for SC, SDF and 17,056 crores for ST, SDF, totaling rupees 50,180 crores, which is really a massive amount. Which is really. Yes, sir. Sir, we hope and trust the government will sincerely and effectively spend all the allocated funds under SC, ST, SDF, since there was huge shortfall in the expenditure on both SDF in 23-24 financial year. The SC, SDF allocation was 36,750 crores, but the actual expenditure was only rupees 14,649 crores, 23-24. The ST, SDF allocation was rupees 50,233 crores, and the actual expenditure was only 10,399 crores, and 23-24, sir. The total allocation under SC, ST, SDF for the year 23-24 was 51,983 crores, but the expenditure was only 25,048 crores, sir. So this is the real allocation. I don't know whether the government is aware. Sir, with your kind permission, sir, I may be given a permission just to show this one thing, sir. Sir, here, national channels from last 2 days, they are running a scroll and having a debate saying that SC, ST's allocations have been reduced and minorities have been given 3,000. They were carrying the figures which were given by INPR from your department, sir. Isme, they gave wrong figures. From your department, they gave wrong figures. And not one challenge, sir. Even Doordarshan carried this, stating that कि SC, STs के पैसों को कम करके मुसलमानों को दे दिया गया. And no clarification was issued from the government side. So you see, sir, what is written here? Meme, Bheem, empty slogan. Minorities first, not SC, STs. 33 crore allocation for Ramzan celebration. You see? Sir, we have to have a department which would immediately give a clarification to these newspapers and say that no, the actual allocation is this. We haven't reduced the allocation for SC, STs. In fact, we have increased the allocation. It's wrong what they are saying. But it wasn't said, sir. आप देखिए, sir. ये कितनी खराब बात है. Not one channel, sir. 7-8 channels, debate, सब हो रहे हैं. Doordarshan also said. So INPR department, this is why I say, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, this is why I say there should be a check on the bureaucrats and the concerned department. They should be held responsible for the figures which they are giving to the minister and which minister is spelling out in this house and which is getting printed. कैसा बताइए आप? कोई नहीं है उसके बारे में बोलने वाला. I hope that this has been taken a note, a serious issue, and INPR department issues a clarification in this and corrects this and says that this government treats SC, ST, BCs, Muslims, Christians, Sikh, Isai, Parsi, everyone treats equally. This government is not partial towards one or impartial towards another. We have to give a statement, so this needs to be clarified, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir. Sir, about the BC welfare, sir. Sir, I'm sorry, I want to come on record and say that, sir, BCs are always being neglected. Why, sir? BRS government, sir. Sir, they neglected. My learned friend was there with me in Public Accounts Committee, sir. Sridhar Babu Saab. Sir, I was really surprised to see the figures when I see, sir. BC के साथ नाइंसाफी की BRS ने, इसलिए BCओं ने इनका साथ छोड़ा और आपका साथ दिया. kindly do justice to BC, sir. There are many BCs के संगम है सर, उनको 10 साल में 0,000 अमाउंट दिया इन्होंने. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप देंगे. Sir, in Andhra Pradesh Assembly, sir, when I used to be there, we had one BC leader, sir. I'm just forgetting his name. Yes, Krishnaya sir. Sir, the way he used to fight for BC, sir, he used to inspire me to fight in the same way for minorities, sir. But I feel like, from last 10 years, this house has many BCs, but we do not have the real BC leader who would fight for the BCs. But I assure to my BC friends that they might not have a friend, but they have a friend in Akbar Owaisi and MIM who will fight for the BCs and who will fight and get the required funds for the BCs. It is high time that the BCs, SC, STs and minorities should come together and teach a lesson to all those who do injustice to the BCs, who do injustice to the SCs and STs and minorities, sir. Sir, BCs का हम देखते हैं, sir. Sir, BCs including among the minorities constitute almost 50% of the state population. The budgetary allocation for these sections is only 9,200 crores, sir. 50% BCs हैं, 50% उनकी आबादी है और बजट एलोकेशन सिर्फ 9,200. जागो BCs, उठो BCs, आओ तुम और हम मिलकर लड़ेंगे और हक को हासिल करेंगे. As promised in the manifesto of the Congress, has established new cooperative society cooperation for Mudiraj, Yadava, Kurma, Munuru Kapu, Padmashali, Parika, Lingayat, Meera and Gangaputra caste in addition to the 12 existing cooperative societies, Federation for various BC caste and BC Cooperative Finance Corporation, MBC Development Corporation, sir. So however, in the last financial year, sir, 23-24, not a single rupee was disbursed by the Vadera, Balija, Valmiki, Boya, Bhattaraja, Medera, Vishwa Brahmin, Kumari, Toddy Tapas Cooperative Society and Federation, sir. एक पैसा नहीं दिए, इसलिए यहां आ गए. आप कम से कम उनका ख्याल करिए. Only the Nai Brahmins, Weavers and Fishermen Federation disbursed rupees 358 crores to the beneficiaries. Sir, उसमें भी कई घपले. मछली के नाम पे मछली कोई और खा गया, तालाब में नहीं गया. बकरे के नाम पे कोई और चर गया, बकरा कहां गया नहीं मालूम. उसकी भी इंक्वायरी करना चाहिए साहब. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि छोड़ेंगे नहीं आप लोगों को. जो मछलियां खा गए, बकरे खा गए, चर लिए, जरा कार्रवाई करिए साहब उनको भी. So thousands of other beneficiaries from these communities who were sanctioned rupees 1 lakh each were disappointed when the disbursement was stopped midway in view of assembly election manifesto, sir. So after the assembly election, the new government has virtually cancelled the sanction applications for BC beneficiaries, also for the minority beneficiaries. मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से अपील करूंगा, दरखास्त करूंगा, जो चेका बन गए थे, जो नाम अप्रूव हो गए थे, चाहे वो 2 बेडरूम के होने दो, BC के होने दो, माइनॉरिटी के होने दो, दे दीजिए साहब, दुआ मिलेगी. लिस्ट में नाम आया था. परेशान है हमारा BC भाई, परेशान है हमारा मुसलमान भाई. चेक आ गया, लिस्ट आ गई, नाम आ गया, लेकिन चेक नहीं मिला. चेक बन के पड़े हैं सर. BC कॉर्पोरेशन में भी है, माइनॉरिटी कॉर्पोरेशन में भी है. चेक्स दे दीजिए सर. मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से मुतालबा करूंगा, दे दीजिए. नया स्कीम जो भी आ रहा जब आएगा, बढ़ाना है बढ़ाइए, पुराने चेक दे दीजिए बस. ज्यादा नहीं आएगा बोझ आपको, ज्यादा नहीं आएगा. हम हैं आपके साथ, हम हैं आपके साथ. आपका ताउन करेंगे, आपकी मदद करेंगे और आपको हम भी और भी रास्ते बताएंगे जिसके जरिए हम रेवेन्यूज को बढ़ा सकते हैं. हम करेंगे, आपका साथ देंगे. हां, अदानी की तरह हम नहीं बता सकते हैं, लेकिन हम बता सकते हैं रेवेन्यूज कैसा बढ़ाना है. हम बताएंगे आपको. सर, the Congress manifesto have also promised enhanced reservation in education, employment as well as in Panchayat Raj and municipal bodies for the SC, ST, BCs, and this can happen only when the caste census is conducted, sir, and the census report is completed, sir. I hope that the caste census would be completed, sir. Sir, also, now coming, lastly, sir, before concluding, coming to my subject of minorities, sir. Sir, वादा करे थे सब प्लान लेंगे. सब प्लान नहीं है। वादा कर रहे थे सब प्लान का। आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट सब प्लान विल कम। ठीक है, earlier before starting my speech I said the time is running fast. There is no doubt that we are in the 7th month of the formation of the government and the elections held for assembly, but we could hardly settle in. Again we had a parliament elections and now we require time. Sir, on behalf of MIM party I would say that yes, we are ready to give you time. आपको वक्त देंगे, आप वक्त लीजिए, लेकिन अपने प्रॉमिसेस को पूरा करिए। इन्होंने सिर्फ हथेली में जन्नत दिखाए, यहां आ गए, आप वो गलती ना करें। सर भट्टी साहब had allocated 3,026.60 crore for minority welfare, sir. However, this works out to only 1.03% of state budgetary outlay, sir. 1% है साहब, मगर लोग बोलते हैं अरे 3,000 करोड़ मिला, पूरे बजट का 1% है साहब। मैं अभी हमारे बीजेपी के दोस्तों को सुन रहा था, उन्होंने बोले कि मुसलमानों को इतना पैसा दिए, एससी और हिंदूज को नहीं दिए। सर आई वुड लाइक टू रिमाइंड एंड रिकॉल, सर इफ आई एम रॉन्ग आई मे बी करेक्टेड, सर KTR साहब इज ऑल्सो हियर, व्हेन आई वाज स्पीकिंग वंस on budget, sir, that time it was MIM who demanded and said that there are Brahmins who are very poor. They also need to be supported. They should also be supported. Sir, on the demand of MIM, the then Chief Minister KCR said, Akbar साहब आप अच्छी बात बोले, and then Brahmins के लिए भी फीस रिएम्बर्समेंट का ब्राह्मण्स को भी देने की बात कही गई। सर मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि हम यहां जब खड़े रहते हैं तो हम सबके नुमाइंदे हैं। Sir, whosoever votes for me, whosoever who doesn't vote for me, that is something different, sir. But once I get elected and I come in this house, it is my responsibility to represent Hindus, represent Muslims, represent Sikh, represent Isai, represent all caste, all BCs, SC, STs and everybody, sir. It is a responsibility of the government also to take care of one and all and everybody, sir. तो मैं आपसे दरख्वास्त करूंगा कि मुसलमानों को आप नजरअंदाज ना करें। आपने वादा किया था मौजनों को 10,000 12,000 देंगे, ठीक है नहीं मिला, मगर मुझे उम्मीद है कि मिलेगा, जरूर आप करेंगे। और मुझे उसके साथ साथ अपने आप पर भी यकीन है कि मंजलिस और अकबर ओवैसी उस वक्त तक चैन तक नहीं बैठेगी जब तक कि आपकी हुकूमत जो वादे करी वो पूरा नहीं करती। हम आपका पीछा करेंगे, आपसे लड़ेंगे, आपसे झगड़ेंगे, आपसे मोहब्बत से हम अपील करेंगे, मगर उन जो वादा किया उन वादों को मनवाएंगे और हासिल करेंगे। सर इट इज ऑल्सो अबाउट शादी मुबारक के लिए भी वादा किया गया था कि रेस करेंगे 1.6, उम्मीद करते हैं कि वो भी होगा। कुछ नेकलेस जेवर देंगे बोले थे, वो भी उम्मीद करते हैं 1 तोला वो भी देंगे। अब्दुल कलाम तोहफे तालीम सर वो भी देंगे। सर इंपॉर्टेंट इशू, सर इंपॉर्टेंट इशू इज अबाउट MTF and RTF, sir. Sir, 198 crores bills are pending in Treasury for final approval of Finance Department. This needs to be cleared, sir. All RTF applications is rupees 650 crores, sir, which are needed, sir. For MTF, 80 crore bills are pending in Treasury, sir, for final approval of Finance Department, including this to clear all RTF application, rupees 121 crores is required, sir. Overseas का ठीक है आपने दे दिया है, sir. Sir, now when I said that I have the responsibility of representing everyone, sir. Sir, when we see the scholarship of SC, ST, BC, OBCs and minorities, sir, as per the records, pending amount is rupees 8,204.57 crores, which is being pending under RTF, MTF scholarship for SC, ST, BCs, OBC, minority students, sir. For the year 2019 and 20, 800 crores. For the year 2020, 2,356 crores. For 21-22, 2,100. For 22-23 is 2,954.15 crores, sir. Sir, 7 महीने में एक भी पैसा नहीं दिए साहब आप। किसानों को दिए, शुक्रिया सर। कुछ तो पैसे दीजिए साहब ये स्कॉलरशिप के. Sir, let me, and I request my BRS friends to not to feel offended, but it is a fact, sir. It is a fact that education has been neglected for the last 10 years, sir. Sir, when I say that, sir, I was just going through the economic, socio-economic survey, sir. So the literacy rate of India is 77%. 77 point something is subject to correction, sir, but it is in 77 only. The literacy rate of Telangana has gone down, sir. It has come to 65 point something, sir. 10 साल में GSDP बढ़ा होगा, per capita बढ़ा होगा. Sir, I was seeing the social economic. I request my learned friend Uttam Kumar Reddy Saab, see the economic survey, sir, the education. Sir, out of total 60 lakh students, sir, almost 17 lakh school-going children have dropped out from school.